Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel, Top 5 Whynter. We are coming up with another great video for the top 5 best portable air conditioners to buy in 2022 right now. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and turn on notifications so that you never miss a new video. Number 1. BTU Portable Air Conditioner. Enjoy a comfortable home climate with this versatile black plus decker unit. It cools, dehumidifies, and circulates air to stand up to summer heat. Offering immediate, uninterrupted comfort, this portable air conditioner features easy-to-use LED electronic controls and is quiet while you sleep. This unit comes with rolling casters and side-carrying handles for easy-to-maneuver mobile comfort and everything needed for an effortless installation. Keeps a room, home, bedroom, apartment, dorm, or garage comfy during the summer months when the heat sets in. Works in double-hung or sliding windows only, no crank windows. To minimize noise and vibration, the air conditioner should be placed on a firm floor. For safe and secure positioning, place the unit on a smooth, level floor strong enough to support the unit. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. Whynter Elite Arc 122DS. A key feature of this portable air conditioner is its compact size and dual hose system, which facilitates better space utilization and more efficient cooling. The Whynter Arc 122DS portable air conditioner is the ideal solution for the warm spots in your home, office, server room, or other constrained area. Portable and easy to set up, this portable air conditioner offers cooling relief for any area where excess humidity and heat cannot be remedied by traditional air conditioning. The unit can be easily set up in almost any indoor location and is most commonly used in data closets/server rooms, bedrooms, classrooms, and garages or workshops. The Whynter Arc 122DS portable air conditioner provides 12,000 BTU cooling output while maintaining a compact and portable profile. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. Honeywell 194 CFM. Mimic the comfort of a cool lake breeze in your home with the slim Honeywell 194 CFM indoor evaporative air cooler, built to cool your immediate area up to 120 square feet. Couch, bed, workspace, breakfast nook. The unit is compact and easily portable for personal evaporative cooling. The tower design with oscillating louvers allows for the airflow to be distributed evenly, while the slim design makes it convenient to fit comfortably into compact spaces. The washable dust filter and easy-access honeycomb cooling media make for easy upkeep, while the remote control lets you control the unit from across the room. Evaporative air cooler offers an energy-efficient cooling option when the air is hot with low humidity, such as in desert areas like the southwestern United States. For those living in more humid climates, consider portable air conditioning units or window air conditioners. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. Honeywell 780 CFM. The Honeywell 525 CFM indoor/outdoor evaporative air cooler offers an energy-efficient cooling option when the air is hot with low humidity, such as in desert areas like the southwestern United States. Honeywell evaporative air coolers do not require power-hungry components like compressors. The low power consumption, only 288 watts, translates into significant savings on energy bills compared to using air conditioners. Just unpack, add water/ice, plug it in, and use. For outdoor use, it is weather-resistant, UV-protected, and has an air throw up to 9.3 yards. For indoor use, place near an open door or window in an area up to 320 square feet with adequate cross-ventilation. For those living in more humid climates, consider portable air conditioning units or window air conditioners for indoor use. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 5. hOmelabs 14,000 BTU. Unlike other portable and window air conditioners, ours has been designed to operate with a noise level of not more than 53 dB, so it won't disturb your sleep. We've also added a built-in sleep function that decreases the air conditioner's energy use while you sleep, so you stay cool while keeping your energy bill low. The conditioned air is evenly distributed by the horizontal auto swing feature. When you power on the appliance, the air outlet door opens fully. Press the swing button to initiate the auto swing feature. You can also choose the airflow direction by pressing the swing button to stop the air outlet door at your desired angle. Using the included remote control, you can select your desired temperature, change cooling modes, and do anything you can also do on the digital control panel. Please comment on which product you like the most. Let us know your opinion on the topic for our next video. We are done for today. See you again next time. Thank you.